Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. Today we are going to measure how strong are different metals. So we have some brass, copper, steel and aluminium, and all are same diameter and length. And under the metals we have our 150 tons force sensor, so we can see how much force it takes to flatten the different metals. And I'm not sure can we flatten these, but at least these three are going to go pretty flat. And I think we are going to start with the copper. Okay, so here we go with the copper, and it's the heaviest one of all the metals, but I think it's not going to be the hardest. But let's see. Uh-oh. Yeah, it starts to bend, but I think we are going to declare the point where it starts to go, because it's like now at the moment. It's really weird. I think it's going to be hot. It's like, it's not super hot. And the maximum force that we used was about 50 tons, but I think it starts to go around 30. So a bit more than I thought. And I think the sensor tries to like twist a little bit under here, so it's going to be challenging to crush these. But this was the first one, and then we are going to, I think we are going to go with the steel. I'm not sure will it go, but we are going to try. Okay, and then the next one, steel. And I'm not sure is this going to be even strong enough to take the whole force of the press, but we are going to try out it now. I think it's going. We have to go have a look. It's not good. Hey, it's already gone. It starts to twist, so it's impossible to go full flat with the sensor. I think we can do a couple of metals without the sensor on the end to make them completely flat. But this can take about 90 tons and then it goes. So about twice as hard as the copper. And then the brass next. Okay, and then the next one, brass. And I think this is going to be the softest metal so far. I have to check. Doesn't look good. It's just started to go, and I think if I would keep going, then it's going to get like twisted again. So we are going to call it quits here. It's 63 tons, and after aluminium we are going to flatten this, but I don't want to ruin it because this is the only piece that I have. So 63 tons, so between the copper and steel. Okay, and then the last one with the sensor, aluminium. And this was by far the lightest of them all. So let's see if it's also the weakest. Yeah, it's going. I think it looks like it's going to fly on this direction. So 49 tons, pretty good. For some reason, yeah, it was coming towards us. for some reason, all the metals want to fly in our direction. Yeah, but I think we are going to switch the plans. We are going to use the rest of the metals without the sensor and skip up the heating part. Okay, so now without the sensor, and we are going to try first the brass. I'm not sure is this already too bent, but we are going to try.
What the?
That wasn't good. We broke the window from the shop. It went through all the windows.
It went through all the windows. Not, I think the last one is intact. Yeah, the last one is broken, but not all the way through.
Ooh.
Wow!
And that's why we have the blast screen.
That is
Yeah, so the piece of brass flew out. I think it wasn't moving stupidly fast, maybe like 20 or 30 meters per second. So we were completely fine behind the polycarbonate blast shield. But Timo's window, that wasn't completely good. There is 3 glasses on that and it went through of 2 of those. So we have to replace those. Yeah, please subscribe to the channel so we can paint the windows. And also follow us on the Twitch. We are streaming these filming days, so you can see live when we like break the windows and stuff. Yeah, and then the next one. Okay, I think if we would like to keep doing the big pieces, we should get like this content here. I think that's going to be a different video. So I made this hamburger. We have steel on the middle and then copper on the both sides, and this shouldn't explode. So here we go. Still might explode. And here we go. Hey, it didn't explode. Yeah, so let's have a look. Still open, it's behind the screen. And you can't even see the steel. Wow. Hey. Oh, that's really, hey, check. The steel got also opened. Really nice, and this is stuck here. No, I think I can get it out. Yeah. It's surprisingly large. I thought that the steel is going to stay pretty small and these are going to spread, but everything spread. Yeah. But I think we are going to now go shop for new window. Please subscribe the channel so we can have some window money. No, we are okay. It's like things happen when you press stuff like this. Yeah, but that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And for today's extra content, we have the most dangerous animal of them all, goose. These are really aggressive and they can like attack you in the parks or anywhere, so we must deal with it.